Hello and welcome to Classicraft Foods. Today I am going to share with you the traditional recipe of making steamed modaks. These are also called ukdiche modak. To prepare the filling, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee, add 2 cups grated coconut. Fry for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of jaggery. I have cut jaggery into small pieces. Add a pinch of salt. It is optional but it enhances the taste. Mix well and cook till the jaggery is completely melted. After 5 minutes, jaggery is completely melted. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix it well. Switch off the flame and let it cool. The mixture should be juicy and not completely dry. You can even add dry fruits of your choice. Remove it in a bowl and let it cool. Now for the covering, heat up a pan, add 2 cups of water. For 2 cups of flour, we need 2 cups of water. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee and let it boil. Water has started boiling. Switch off the flame. Add 2 cups of flour. This is my homemade rice flour. You can easily buy it from the market, but homemade is best. Cover and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now open the pan and remove it in a big plate. As the flour is still hot, take a small bowl and apply ghee on it and knead the flour to form a smooth dough. You can sprinkle some water and knead the dough. The dough should be lump free. The dough should be soft like this. You can use a little ghee as well. These type of molds are easily available in the market. You can buy any one of them. You can open it like this. Taking small portions of dough and using little ghee, knead the dough once again very well so that it gets very smooth. Now make lemon sized ball of the dough. Grease the molds very well with ghee. Different types and sizes of molds are available in the market. Take a lemon sized ball and fill it in the mold, and with the help of finger and little ghee, make a cavity inside the mold. Press it very well so that you get a nice shape of the modak. Extra dough should be removed. Press it very nicely. Add a spoonful of filling in the cavity and close it with the remaining dough. Close it very nicely, otherwise it will open while steaming. Press it nicely. Now open the mold. Modak is ready. You can see it. Keep these modaks on a greased plate. Apply ghee on the plate and place all the modaks in it. If you want to make modaks in this type of molds, first grease the mold. Take a lemon sized ball and place it in the mold. Taking little ghee on your fingers, make a cavity inside the mold. Press it very nicely. The covering should be thin Take out all the extra dough from the mold. Fill it generously with the filling. Fill it nicely. Cover the modak and remove the extra dough. Open it. You can see how beautiful this modak has come out. Prepare all the modaks the same way. Modaks are ready to steam. In such type of molds, even beginners can make modak with this type of molds. I have taken a steamer to steam this. If you don't have a steamer, you take a sieve and place over any vessel filled with water and steam it. I have taken such type of turmeric leaves. I will place it in the steamer. It will give nice fragrance to your modaks. If you don't have it, skip it. You can grease the sieve and place all modaks over it and steam it. I'll arrange the leaves on the steamer. Place the leaves in the steamer. Arrange all the modaks over it. I have arranged the first batch of modaks. Now I will cover it and steam it on high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can check it. If it is sticky, then steam it for few more minutes. For me it is not sticky. So my modaks are ready. I will prepare the same way the next batch of modaks. Modaks are ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe my channel and press the like button.